Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is October 2023, 13 variant, question number 6. And topic is AS level quadratics. What a question is, this is a line equation is given by him. You can see the word line. Even the power of x is 1, power y is 1 is a line. And this is a curve equation you can see from here. And he's saying what question here, that the line is tangent to curve at P. So basically what we have, and he's asking find the values of C and the coordinates of that point. So basically we have, there are a few steps, okay? Step number 1, put y equals to y or x equals to x. Step number 2, make quadratic equation and get ABC from there. Get ABC. Apply B squared minus 4AC. Current situation, because it's word tangent, I will put equal to 0. Actually, we have 3 situations. I'll discuss all 3 situations. Okay, and afterwards, you get a C values from here. So C value C1, C2 will get from here. So up till here, let's try to do it. So what is step number 1? So y equal or x equal. So y equal. So y and y equals to each other. This whole thing coming here, or you can say that this y value, replace it here. This is called substituting technique. So cx to power 2 plus 2x minus c is equal to 6x minus c. Here 3, here c. Okay. Now reorder, try your level best, x squared positive. There's not a compulsory, but try your level best. Now 6x will come this side, negative 6x, and c will come this side, become positive c equals to 0. So cx squared, solve these two values. I get negative 4x, and this you write as it is. Okay, no issue at all. So what is A value? A value is C. What is the B value? B value is, don't say 4, minus 4. And what is the C value? C value is not only 1, both values, including their signs. Now I will say the statement as line is tangent. So we know we have 3 situations. I show you all 3 one by one. So this is a parabolic curve, and I just make it here, copy. We have 3 options, all of you familiar. Just a quick revision. So condition number 1, line is not cutting. Second, touching. Third, cutting. So in this option, there's no solution. So we write b squared minus 4ac less than 0. When 1 touching 1 tangent, b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. And this 2 point b squared minus 4ac bigger than 0. So we have, but currently I will use equal to 0. So b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. So when I plug in the values, b is negative 4, a value is c, and c value is this. So negative 3 plus c is equals to 0. 16, make sure this negative 4c multiply inside. Minus minus plus, 4, 3 is 12c. And same process here, negative into positive, negative, and 4c squared. I will divide whole equation by negative 4. This is not a compulsory. You can apply quadratic formula even. But when divided, I got c squared positive, c become negative, and this become 4. And now you can see divide by 4, and divide by 4. So I factorize, and I got 4 ones of 4. I can go for quadratic formula even, no issue at all. I think, okay. So this factorization is not a hard, I believe is clear. So see, wait a minute. I think there's one mistake. 4 ones of 4. Let me check where is mistake. There's negative, and this positive. Yeah, this mistake. This is negative. How negative? I just tell you, because I divide by negative. This negative become positive. This positive become negative, and this positive becomes negative. Now if I take a one common, c plus 4, and if these bracket values are matched, they match, it means we're doing correct. So I got two answers. One answer I'm getting here is C is equals to this equal to 0. Make sure I have seen some time. For example, let's say there's a 6. So some student think this equal to 6 and this equal to 6, total wrong. This approach is applicable only when equal to 0. This approach is not applicable other than 0. So now one time this 0 and one time this value 0. So I got a first value 4 and c plus 1 equal to 0. I got second value minus 1. Is the game over? Not at all. He said find the c values. Alhamdulillah, out of 7 marks, I believe 4 marks for this reason. And then he said corresponding coordinates of that point. Basically, this is not a one tangent. I can, because now we have two possibilities. Look at here. Second tangent is this. So the C1 is a C2. So we have a two tangents. Okay, now I need to find the coordinates also. How we can do it? I can do start from beginning, plug in a top equation, but it will take a waste of time. It will waste our time. Then what is the best way? Rather than putting it here and here, and then you put them equal to each other, then you get this equation, then you get this equation. Why we can't put directly here? So better idea is what? No need to plug in a top equations. You already have done it at this level. So where you apply b square minus 4 is that equation I will plug in. So let's say I'm going to show you. When I plug in 4 here, I got a 4x square minus 4x. And when I plug in 4 here, minus 3 plus 4 give us plus 1. When I plug in minus 1 here, I got negative x square. Okay, then negative 4x. When I plug is minus 1 here, I got a negative 4. Now I'm going to do it now. So this is a factorization, or you can apply quadratic formula. But you know, students, my habit is always to apply factorization technique. Wait a minute, students. Okay, now I'm going to do this now completely myself. So 4x square, 4 ones are 4, 2 twos are 4. And negative 2x plus 1 equal to 0. I got 2x common, I got 2x minus 1. Minus 1 common, 2x plus minus 1. You can apply quadratic formula as well. But look at the interesting part. Look, one time this equal to 1 time this equal to 0. We got two answers. But they must same according to the rule of topic, because you know you got a half here and you got a half here. Why I write 2 times? So no need write 2 times. 1 time is enough to write it. Okay, but what is the asking for? Yes, coordinates of. So not x, we need y as well. So I will plug in x here or here, no problem. But this is a better approach. So y equal to 6 times to x and minus c value. So y equal to y is equals to 1 minute, please. This is I need some space, so I drag slightly up. Okay, now look at now. So students, what I'm going to do, y is equals to 6x and what a minute, let me see back, 6x minus c. So minus c, and c value I just got it 4. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, this cancel 3 and 3 minus 4 give us minus 1. So answer turned to be half comma negative 1. This is my first answer. It means C1 or C2, that point we got it. Same approach. This is multiply by minus 1. So all sign changes, factorization. Now 4 ones are 4. Again 2x plus this one. Again I got x common from here. Again I got 2 common from here. So I got x plus 2 and x plus, again you see we got, look at here, as we got a 2 value same here, even we get a 2 value same here, negative 2. And I plug in this minus 2 back again on this top equation to get the y coordinate. But make sure y equal to 6 times 2x minus c. But what is c value? C value is minus 1 coming here below. So I got a negative 12 and plus 1. And finally, I got negative 2 and negative 11. Let me recheck once again. Wait a minute. Negative 12 and I got it positive. Yes, I think so. Point is very clear. It means the coordinates of C1 and C2. I got it very easily. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And the question is completely over.